Hey, designing and deploying a scalable IoT solution on Azure got to be one of those cool challenges that just rolls out the carpet for a senior cloud architect like me. I've helped businesses transform their processes, improve efficiency, and unleash the full power of what IoT could do. So, listen, I'm gonna walk you through this journey. Imagine we are stepping into a world where IoT devices are everywhere, collecting data that's helping us make smarter decisions and creating value that just never stops growing. First things first, IoT devices start chirping with all their sensor data, and that's fine, but how we manage that stream and make sense of it? Azure IoT Hub to the rescue. It's like the central post for all these data packets, decoding, queuing, processing, and ensuring timely delivery to the application where big insights are born. Makes it super easy to handle device-to-cloud and cloud-to-cloud communications without worrying about the device's capabilities. Think of it as the diligent postman ensuring all letters find their way. Now, we talk about Azure IoT Central, a low-code platform that's the best thing to happen to IoT for years, right? It turns out it was. Here, enterprises not just deploy IoT devices, but handle everything from data collection to managing dashboards, analytics, and control, with no need to be a coding expert. Makes the whole IoT for Meadows as easy as pie. We get pre-built templates which are smart to deploy, manage, and monitor for any possible issues. Imagine you can control your systems from anywhere with just a click. Then we move to Azure Stream Analytics. It's a real-time data service that makes meals easy, integrating data from various sources into queries you define. It's about extracting patterns or triggering actions in real time. Stream Analytics, when used appropriately, can give you insights about time series data from thousands of sensors. Picture real-time decision-making, like instant inventory replen.